What's up, traders? 2 trades today. Actually 3, but 2 within one ticker on SCHW and 1 on Roku. So let's get to it. All right, so we've been watching SCHW here for a while. We were waiting for it to get towards that 42 area. So we're going to be looking for it to get over that. Might actually just go ahead and put a price in here. Do 42.05. Making a nice little move here, so if she can get through 42, we'd be pretty happy with that entry. There, she's there. There's a pretty big offer there at 42. All right, she went through, got filled. Probably should have realized we could have probably got a little higher there. Could have went 42.10 for sure with that big offer. It's all right, we're coming right back down. Put an order in at 75. Oh, we'll do 70. See if we can get filled. Quick little scalp. 75. I should have left it at 75. Probably just going to go ahead and take this. Yeah, crap. Then she's going to come right back down. That's okay. That's all right. We just got a quick little scalp there. This is on earnings, so we don't want a chance of going back up. So we're watching SCHW again. Seeing if she'll get back up there over 42. Looking for a double top here. And we're going to start here right at 05. Yep, we got 05 again. Just kind of looking for this to be a double top. It was a quick move up, so if she wants to shoot through high of day, we'll look to add real quick. And then just look for it to get back down under 42. Now again, this is on earnings, so I mean she is in an uptrend. She did kind of have a decent pullback there after she went over 42 the first time. So we're not looking to get too carried away with this. We're really just kind of looking for just a quick move in and out. I mean, back down there under 80 would be great, but we're not going to get greedy. And she seems to be holding here. You can see that little bit of resistance earlier, kind of somewhat being used as support. She keeps trying to get under 42, but then she keeps going right back over. We're going to go ahead and take half our position there just to be safe. And then we're going to go ahead and put our stop right at high of day. So we're actually going to go ahead and put in a range order. Just kind of watching it here for a sec. Just coming back down. Let's see if she was going to give us a quick flush. We'll go ahead and put that stop range in. We'll do 75, and then we'll do high of day, which is at 42.14. So we'll do 15. So 42.15. All right. And down to that 80 mark. See if we can get under or under 80. See if we can get down there right to 75. All right, we're at 75. See if we can get filled, and we're filled. All right, awesome. So nice little trade there. Would have been nice to hold on to those first shares a little bit longer, but pretty good trade overall. And Roku over here. I've just been watching this thing. It's kind of going crazy. If we can get up over 109, might be worth looking. Actually, I'm kind of interested now, but I'm not going to take 50. I'd probably take 25 just in case she wants to get over 109. She does feel a little bit toppy. She's kind of getting less of a move up each time at this point, so it kind of feels like she might be done. Let's put 25 in just in case I actually want to do it. Yeah, we're going to get started here. We're going to take it. We got 75. It just feels real toppy. If she wants to get up there over 109, we'll go ahead and add for that 109 pop. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so she's up over 109 again. Just kind of seeing how far she wants to go. All right, feels like that was it. We added. What we got? We got 11 there. Would have been nice to get that up near 20, but it's okay. She's still coming back down. We'd obviously be looking for this to get under 109. Just really looking to get out of this at this point. We'll go ahead and put it here at 80 for our 50 shares, so it won't be a real big win if we get it. There we go. We're back down into the 80s. See if we can get down to our order at 80. I'm saying 80 a lot. It's kind of tripping me up. Was obviously looking for a much bigger. There we go. Okay, we got filled there. We're obviously looking for a much bigger move there, but this thing just feels like she wants to keep going. It's weird. Just the way it's trading. All right, traders, so as you can see, that was my 2 trades on SCHW and ROKU, ROKU. So we'll again start with ROKU here. As you can see, I was not wrong. This thing decided to just keep going. A little bit crazy. Just the way it was trading as I was watching it all morning, it just felt like she was just going to keep going. One of them grinders per se. But if we want to scroll in and kind of look at what was going on, we were right at that key resistance level. And if you had heard me say, every time we had moved up and had a pullback, if you notice it's a big move up, pullback, big move up, pullback. But look how much smaller this move up was before the pullback. So we kind of noticed that, and that's why we jumped in thinking we might actually get like a real pullback towards VWAP. We actually didn't get that. And we popped right back up to 109, and we were just trying to feel the top there, knowing that again we were just looking for it to be smaller, so it was getting heavier and heavier. And sure enough, we got at least a decent pullback down to this 80 area when we just decided to get out, because just the way it felt. Sometimes you have to just go with your instinct, and we were right on this one. So ended up making a small profit on this one. Wasn't anything crazy. I think it was like $6, $6.50. So nothing too crazy there. SCHW, this was a good one. Probably could have held this one a little bit longer. We actually played it pretty poorly. Well, not our entries anyway, just our exits. But we got in both times at 42.05. On this one, it was a nice pop up, extension away from VWAP. Got in 42.05, shot right down. We actually had put an order in at 70. She got down to, I think it was like 75, and in my head, I almost put the order at 75, but I don't think we would have got filled anyway because it only got to 75 on the bid. Nothing really got filled there. So we ended up just canceling that order real quick and taking it, and it ended up costing us quite a bit. We got filled at 88 cents there, 41.88, which is a bummer, but it's all good. Then she decided to pop back up, and it was on a nice quick move all at once, so we jumped back in. We actually got 42.05 again. And when she was coming back, kind of felt like she was struggling to really stay under 42. So we decided to just get rid of half our shares just in case to take off some risk. And then we put a range order in to cover all the way down here and stop out at high of day. So we had a pretty good risk to reward there on at least the remaining 50 shares. And we ended up making $35 total on that one. So $41.50 on the day. Can't be too upset about that. Our quota's at $50 right now. And I know we're trying to scale up a little bit, but, just getting 3 total trades overall under my belt today, it felt really good to be a little bit more active. But there was really just nothing screaming my name too much. This was definitely one of them. So happy we got it in. And Roku, I told myself I wasn't even going to trade anything over $60. And that thing's over 100, but it was hard to resist seeing that huge extension. I mean, look at this move; it's crazy. And keep in mind too, I did notice this is at all-time highs once we got over like 108.32. So I knew I was getting into that, but I also thought that maybe we'd get that pullback because VWAP was kind of coming up to that area. I thought we'd at least get a pullback to there and maybe use that as support off the daily, but again, this thing, just the way it was trading, it just felt like it might keep doing this, and she's actually starting to get a little toppy now, so who knows? We'll just keep an eye on it for the rest of the day. Not going to trade it, but it's just fun to watch. So that's all I got for you guys today. Like and subscribe, guys. Always appreciate the support. Like I said yesterday, like the video. Also, don't forget, we are at 300 subs. We hit it. Let me pull that up real quick. Very excited. Thank you guys for all the support that you do give me. We got 302, so we will be doing the 300 sub giveaway, which is a free week of the Team ISW scanners. You get the 2 chat rooms, the Learning Center, all the scanners. So if you are interested in a free week of that, I'll leave a link in the description down below for the video that I did for the giveaway. All you have to do is go to that video and just leave a comment telling me why you want the free week. obviously appreciate the subscriptions, guys. I know there's like 65+% of you that watch my videos that aren't subscribed, so just do me a solid. People use that word anymore? I used to all the time. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. I suck at this. I'll get better at it. But if you have any actual questions or comments about my trades today, about any trades in the past, any strategy questions that you might have, feel free to reach out. I love talking to you guys. Interaction is, what I'm here for. That's part of the reason I made the channel in the first place. Number 1 was my journal. Number 2 was to just help people along the way. So leave those down below or email me. That's in the about section, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.